For clients in need of customized force measurement solutions, look no further than Interface. We excel in providing customers with specialized load cells and torque transducers that can't be purchased off the shelf, and we have a robust solutions design team to back it up. Our dedicated engineers and measurement experts, company resources, and advanced engineering lab give Interface the competitive advantage to make any force measurement application work. Even prototyping at Interface is faster on average than any other provider in the market. To create these specialized force measurement solutions, we start by assessing our customers' fundamental requirements. From there, we determine what the load cell needs to mount to and what specifications it needs to perform in its intended environment. Interface also can transmit load cells wirelessly to our customers' networks. If a technological requirement extends outside of Interface's capabilities, we have the partners in place to fully optimize the solution to meet the exact custom requirements. If you have a need with specific requirements that fall outside our standard products, contact us and let our specialized custom solutions team identify the possibilities.